Hello everyone, today I will show you how to extract or save a PDF file from a PDF portfolio using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a PDF portfolio and increase this display area as it is. Total 5 files here and I will extract or save this file. Select and press right button for the mouse cursor and this extract from portfolio. Select and save it folder and you can give this new name and save. In this way you can save any PDF file from a portfolio, or you can delete, or you can add. Here you can delete or you can add new files and so on. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.